Well, in the early set part of this video, you've seen a red-breasted female robin trying to get into our house through windows at the bottom of our staircase. And he tries through the bedroom, or she tries through the bedroom windows upstairs, and through the dining room windows and the kitchen window. The bird is completely crazy and lost its mind. It does this every day. Must be mating season, for you see, we have this quite handsome little devil in here who is beautiful and quite loud at times. He's being really quiet right now, which is a great thing. But the birds outside are fucking going nuts. I think they want to mate with my bird. Somebody loan me a pellet gun so I can eliminate the little problems before they break my windows. Because Max, he's a one-woman man, and I'm more than enough woman for him. Go away, you little she-devil birds. Stay away from my windows. This happens every day. Around this time, it's about 7:20, 7:15 in the evening. And it also happens really early in the mornings, like around 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning. And they drive me absolutely insane. I'm telling you, they're really, really getting under my skin. They're touching the last nerves. And I really just want to eliminate them. So, Mom, how about you? Do you just want to eliminate the little she-devil birds?
Yeah. How would we do it?
BB guns, pellet guns,
No, that one.
or a great big long-handled net, like for a swimming pool or something that I can just whack them with.
Maybe.
That would work too. Because if I could capture them in the net, then I could at least bludger them with a rock or a brick. A brick and a cinder block would work just fine.
Any old brick would do, huh?
Yep, any old brick would do. Or I could drag them all the way out to the car and run them over with the tire of the car. That would work also. I'm just really sick of them birds and things because they keep waking up my grandson really early in the morning and causing my bird in there to squawk loudly and drive me insane. And they're tip tap titty tap tip tap tap tip tip tap on the windows is torturous. Kill the she-devil birds. Kill the she-devil birds. It's spring, it's mating season, and they're freezing outside while my poor Max is warm inside.